We will be starting with the purification, okay, purification of copper sulfate. So for doing your purification of copper sulfate, we need a beaker, okay, funnel, a tripod stand, china dish, glass rod, and that's it. Okay, so what we'll start with the experiment now. Now suppose we have, okay, can you see this? We have copper sulfate, right? Now suppose we have an impure form of this copper sulfate. Okay, suppose we have this impure form of copper sulfate. So take this, like what it is. Now this is your copper sulfate, which is in the impure form. Suppose, okay, I'll just clear this off. Yes, it is in the impure form. So what I do, I add it to a beaker, okay. Then after adding, I add some water to it. Okay, that's it. Then I'll dissolve it through your glass rod, such a way that it should be a saturated solution. Now what do you mean by saturated solution? I'll show you. You add the quantity in so much that a residue of that compound has to be left behind. Not residue actually, the salt cannot get further dissolved after a certain point, right? So you can clearly see this. Yes, now you see this, you have some, it has not been completely dissolved now. So what you do is, when you have this kind of solution, okay, this is your impure copper sulfate solution. From this we need to crystallize this solution, okay. Now hold on. Okay, as you know, in the earlier I have prepared the setup for the boiling of the solutions. Now what you need to do is, the saturated solution of copper sulfate, you just need to place it above, okay, and wait for it to boil, okay. In this you can clearly see that the solution now it is boiling. So to do this, the next step, we need to switch off the burner, okay, keep it aside, then attach a Bunsen burner. Okay, now as we can see, we have the funnel, okay, we have prepared this, okay, filtrate paper. Hold on a sec. Make it correct, make that in a correct way, then pour your filtrate to it. Pour your solution there slowly, okay. When you are done, place it again back, okay. Now in this, you should be able to see the filtrate that I have obtained here, okay. Just a sec. Can you see this filtrate? Now when you have obtained this filtrate, keep it for another 2 hours, or let it be for 12 hours. After 12 hours, it will look something like this. Now in this you can clearly see this part, the crystals have completely been formed. So the impurities have been left behind in the your filtrate, okay, and this clear purified crystals are then formed, okay. So this is a general way of purification of your compounds, okay. Thank you.